Use the duplicate feature on your site as a starting point for new content. To duplicate a layout page, first go to the Pages panel. Then click the gear icon next to the page you wish to duplicate. Then select Duplicate Page. Once you have copied the page, it will appear in the Not Linked section, where you can change the name of the page title. To duplicate a course or lesson page, in the Pages panel, select the gear icon. Select Duplicate Course. The duplicated course will appear in the same chapter as the original, but will temporarily be hidden from your visitors as a draft. If you are selling products on your page, you can duplicate a product by navigating to the store page. Edit a specific product, and click on the duplicate icon. Then hit Save. Your duplicated product will be seen as a draft and will be initially hidden from your visitors. You can also duplicate a specific blog post, an event, a video, or portfolio subpage by selecting the specific section on the page, then selecting Duplicate. To duplicate a section, first edit a page and hover over the selected section. Then click the duplicate icon. To duplicate one or more blocks, highlight the specific blocks, then use the standard copy and paste shortcuts, Command or Control-C, then Command or Control-V. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.